Alright. I think I got all the parts I need. This is my first time doing this. First time ever. Custom PC build. Primarily I bought it just for Battlefield 1. Whatever else games come out. But this is my first time building one. And this is my first custom PC. I'm usually a Mac guy. But thought I'd jump in it. Heads on, man. Got everything. Everything done came in the mail. Went with a Core i7 6700K. I'm gonna be doing some editing on this too, so research it, and I guess this is one of the best options. I just went and got it. SuperNOVA 850. I guess that's overkill. This guy, well, 1080. I went and got the 1080 Beast Retro Reality Ready GeForce GTX 1080 Founders Edition. Y'all know about that one. I went with the MSI Z178 MPOWER Gaming Titanium motherboard. Good things about this one. Yeah, man. I think that's a beast. It's just the E. Yeah. Monitor is a little underpowered. I'm pretty much gonna be 4K gaming. My TV is 4K. My monitor is 1080p 144 Hz. With 1 millisecond, but it's 1080p, so I'm going to get a 1440p or a 4K monitor in the next month or so. But I read the reviews and this one is just as dope, so yeah, do. Bought the Cooler Master. I think I'm gonna have to get some more fans, but this is the cooler for the chip. What else I got? Samsung SSD 850 Evo. I think this is 250. Yeah, 250 gigabytes. Windows 10 OEM installation disc. Titanium RAM, 16 gigabytes, 2 8 gigabyte strips. Bought a Blu-ray drive. Is it Blu-ray? Asus Blu-ray drive. I think it's a Blu-ray drive. I'm not sure. I won't be using it that much. Thermal paste. This is my Western Digital 1 terabyte drive. Yeah, the infamous. Let's see. This is a SteelSeries. Yeah, mouse pad. Heavy. I got a Razer Def had a chroma mouse. Yeah, I guess it'll do. We'll see. I just spent money, man. Alright. Keyboard is a Black Widow. Razer Black Widow keyboard. So yeah, man. Black Widow Ultimate keyboard. And my case is a, y'all see that? It's a little gray, but Enthoo Evolv ATX or whatever. Now, let's get to building this thing, man. Hopefully everything turn out. Got all day to do it. So I'm gonna take my time. Hopefully I don't mess nothing up. But let's tune in.